Ebusia mo akwaba mo atrase mo Costa Television no. Don ko kasebo na yede rebam wonde bie na yede besi branyepie meche branyabosum na dotodo edonu ebien. Ebusuafo nda yede oda na akatum na bro. Na akatum na bro wi don ko kasebo nsama obidi ni mu akutire bi nde adesere bre papa ansa na obenya kai wa ko hunu krom akohwebo enindi anampo akaje wa homede afini na bewie yi wetu kon abokwanda odo kofie na wanyi adofo no kedi afin yaboko na yakohwe nsama opupem wabra warpehen akohunu kro ahodo damara abarka chipe na ohwe ogwa mensin no that together afin pime benye do nation yebokomun ogwa bobo no mazen na we sanitation quarter obohwe na watwe nkofo wona asoa udefi wanse na ye ho UCC University of Cape Coast won credit union aye wona fi hyenhye ma otodo eduna akono na bana nsam na epupem ebushafo iyi na nsam bia oka wona nwabiri medere bosom de donkro kasebo Costa Television afishapa afin charaba na asonye domina na otowon ntisa ende ya bosuma yemne dotodo de ebie za na no ndase sonko wo donkro kasebo mun yeteba ma oye diesel gift shop ose tade na chade na dofo no feel bro nyene bi ate na Peter so Christ ni suenya ebusuafo diesel na soyi wo oye pedu intermittent traffic light na so pe ehọ na wohye dama so da fast de ne bi so yamfa ma oye NPA National Petroleum Authority also use gas usana gas de oya affordable bebe boko bia ebenye bi wo ho ejoku beni wona dawo mara na we sobasen mamede donko kasebo mede brown ebusuaba from kitikeku ASORBA KOFI ESSUMAN afi yanje bird na yanje insama numu nchechirem sa afi beredu ana yehye afi ase idiku wie no bosuma ode wie yi mo banede akatum na bro mabure nya ne pempede da kala efana hentedi no ho ye na no ho ye dene pa eyi akama Costa Television da no fida memenda nyukoside nyina no yakoba probo wo oye ahenteda horowa owo gwa metre tantre kwatokraba pedi junction podan yewe basa ya woda owo dirkwa abra ya woda owo total filling station na ya wo STC won enkwado eti Costa Television ye bo anoma kupemu ho ye adofo owo bonko motwetwe bi se de na answer yin dibure ye na lie ni tenten moti ana otedan dada ina da melayi no ho anabu enti na da melayi na ebupem ho ebusua yanye adofa we kigina wiem don hwere bien don hwere baasa yanye wo bonkoman nsama ofimu ben ibin impempo woda wa wugina papa mu akwa ba odima henwa apodo mi yate but eba ha bata na eba no nshisha wo de ka kire da I'm
sisan mbe. Sisan mbe na me delay we chiwa na mde aba.
Na ereko hensesi a.
Mo kwata kwa. Me kwata kwa
da sa. Wow. Etino sesere ehwa atafu karwa ha.
No fo kawa.
Na indeti no wa be sonkwa na.
Same day Christmas de. Ano no ho car food o ayede. Am not it. Christmas in teno ama yenya tenten de. Christmas anka ya baba 111.
It's abras na catch una no ma wo so lie.
Oh, mu ya mention kwant that ma medu echi wa ma bedu and the man won so wo be for obasana akọ. To the man not.
Yo, madase papa mamenye enuanu school from me. Mr. Mu akwa abod ma henwa. Na kwacho eko school wa he na erefo kala kodo ensesiara.
Chufu Prasu Senior High.
Chufu Prasu Senior High School.
Yes, please.
Na eriko ehimfa.
Takrade.
Takrade.
Yes, please.
Wow. Normally, about it how many minutes you have? Na kone say so
At least 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Yes, please.
By say how many minutes you have?
More than 1 hour.
More than an hour.
Yes.
Na in your car. Line into baby ticket.
No.
Wow. It was your kwaba. What the mahinwa? Yeah, Echo School Hena.
Agri Memorial.
Agri. Na Eroko Insisia. Takrade. Now, normal days in Eba, it's how many minutes were ansana to my car?
Maybe on Shelby, 5 minutes, Namiko.
By Sisiano, how many minutes?
Over an hour and 30 minutes.
Wow. An hour 30 minutes into today. Young cash and lie, yeah. Maybe 5 o'clock upon in your car.
Any Bia County, a vessel lining with the man.
Eti ebushafo yegudara yanye aya ahentiafo no rebon komo ebisa bra wo baha na wokọ no within dahin ana don hwira himra hin na sesere akaba na minsu urita hin ma me mu akwa ba wo jima hin wa
Yeah, you know what.
Koto hin na mbra hin ebitiri wa
Me concrete. Na sisi amom na merba intino me don shule bia na ba sabi na mezi no wa
intino ayaja tafu ka wa
oh dabi
first time
I'm okay.
You better was what you are saying is how many minutes have you spent here?
Oh, I just came not long.
You just came?
Yes.
So is it your first time or
at the station?
Yeah,
here? No.
So
I think this is my 3rd time.
Your 3rd time?
Yes.
So the first time and second time, how do you see compared this?
Oh, okay. I think because it's the Christmas season now, I think there is a bit of traffic. The other time I came, it was a bit faster than this.
So how do you cope it?
We are waiting until it's our turn, then we go. Yes.
So you wait until even 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock?
Oh, okay. Maybe when it's getting a bit later, I can go back home and then come back tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. It's a Echo School wine, and I don't know.
But from the school, Cape Tech. Aflau.
Now, first time I for Kawa, another for Kawa.
First time.
It's a best about so live down in a minute.
30 minutes.
20 minutes. Wow. It's a in case I was 6, I was 7, can't be by what will you do?
I'll go back to the school.
You go back to school?
Yeah.
But that's it. Ebushafo mayanko yankafuna so yankafuna so binu nkotwetwe nkomo misa empempran mo orokwado no za yehunu wo oya echechechecheche no enda so ma webudi na yanyo mo nkomo enti yehu de enuanom a wo yedwuma wo hani na ehuna no kwenu won akere won papa onam broyen na oda afi 2025 broyen no abaya sonku minyimara sa akontufa wona wo be fe no doso na aka de school fu first years a wo bai second years final year for de wona we
mo ko nkanfo
na nti nkanfo o fa taxi wa
o ye fa taxi wa ho drivers na mpochi wo hunyan po nkasa ye ho bi hu edom ne nsi bia wo dropping nso ama ha emergency pa
ya dase ya bonkomo enda asha mahaya na awu kayi so medan
normal thing happening occasion time yeah and at this time no I think the used for your graduation na schools ni nyina so wa makwana bom ntina ma wa ma nyama ye
ama pesa abada ho ya kafo
onya sem kakra ba
enti no bi kare onya bandama na chi osisi kas ni mabo no kwa be no
ono ze ni kwa ya me no kwa bi anyi fe na ya ji no na ya ji
e bada ho asopa
yes ye da
papa mami undu komo Perry Jensen say ehwe 2025 Christmas edoma wa ban na the compare years abasino kwana ehunu that
okay onam school fu na wa makwaniti school fu na makwanda no aha busy and school fu na wa makwanto ama aha na aisho na lorry fend and my agina na yaje apart from cars no offer 6 no ano 40 cedis and obiara of obiara de dado no nim na waje 40 cedis onye da waje bia to do price waje na waje akrao takwado mo waje na waje on fe biara nto do nti se what na agba no da watu ma nipa ko na ko esem na oka
yabada se bebe
wasom na wona ase
yo eti ebushafo me pede manyan ko gate na no ma he me yo peyin mbo komo papa
road na wo yinti amaka ye cars bebe asese amaka sinema today last 2 years last year
yes
so my ye car some no am passengers no why stranded kakra road na wo ye no oka ho ama Kasin bebre adosu ebe nko okokra
eti me se o sesere kekosa pedi junction ahemfa bo no ba no ko bebe wo ko ya bobo shi eko school wa ina ahemfa na elfo kara
Eko school St. Augustine's College if I kako takrado
now eba ha edi minute how many minutes and then hours
almost 2 hours
2 hours wow until baby will be not after the come with baby until you do something say 3 hours 5 hours in your car and then
I was too I have to wait
okay until 7 8 9 10
I was too
you still wait wow Tibranya Carl something that will pay Jensen Jokwa Praso station Carl something
yeah Carl something boko igusu adwuma no so de igusu aye ya ti Carl something cars de obi wa ya ho kire ya wo ma wo abonten so ba beboa ti Carl something bibia akoso fine
it is necessary passengers what tente we ehihye ben na wa ye na wodam ho
ehihye ya nse won konyo bebre wa ha nto mo ba cars no on say nam say station no pragya for no bahanti e bia na cars ne show ni amu matras ki car no ba ya ni amu ma bi lodu nti lodu jo kwa ni lodu atobias ni lodu twefo praso
ye mi say ana
kwa ba bibia ye mo wona egwa ye mo wona bibia atobias do mama jo kwa bebia wo ba ye 7 one fine bebia wo ba ye mo wona ngwa ye entertain won ye bibia
eti ehwe afi buranyen mosima passengers reba na tututu da abasene ko ho afi di otena
afi zo ye normal afi zo double ko bibia
Entiafa papa na anepe aprabo no no chede still ayankafo no ayentiafo no binum da wa ho a o de wo bo made na wodo nko na ayankafo no how kra wo mi de nkrankwa no onam da warrior baby we nti ama cars dodo na wa asai oninti na ma aka bende wonya ahena dodo na onfamfa a passengers for ebushe yentu anu makwa mesawo yentu a oya donko kasebo no do na yemfa ensam no yemfa mra wa abanka chipen na ohwegwa mensini nye ne mpanyimfo aya ne de se yebedi branya ode yedi branya yare bebere enyim ode yedi branya wanse obafaye no ode yedi branya heni fie wanse manyina boko akape bebi atena mum yidi brand ni wi a na wa ba bo hwe ntin sesie mapa na okrodo danu memenda abasene kwan na Coastal Television ba pro ogwamensina onam kwado na bebi tire ola amanfo jejem na jejano yete ba buwie mu oye adesadar yedi fuo yete ba abura yete ko oye akotache kakomdo mempiasam ikupe mu oye besekrom na ta probode de ye boya na bra yedu oye abra new sports stadium nencha wope nukoni na ayahosama owe ne akwankwante poda fade de sports stadium won go te na ni mu etwog ni mu esi utwem efuwa ni mu twem na central oye enuanoma mentere nketese waka won abom de wohwe na once afanta mpefo ogwa ha enti wanye wonu mpanyimfo wonye ba no ma meche central gateway nye wanye bibiara do obese na wonso wode kosafo dwuma no wode bi sisedo na abra ye mpanyimfo twetwe nkomo no sama wakani bi
I'm there. Yes, started by several months. They be every Saturday. Every Saturday. Yes, started Waha, Pedro Junction before we are fishing in our hand. Yes, you see, or you take out the police station was no now. Or your emergency would be our fit in the better. Zaba, a discovery, a shake on a car association, or any good now. Every weekend, they are engaged to me about. And near there, you may as well look at it. Or are they this one? Or your weekend piano, or your mimi piano, yes. In that also, you may be Yama, the farm, the way to water. Yama, dear, old desert. The young Kakanka, Marcia, the Wian, is the head every weekend. Go to the Numunasi. It's a stadium dancing that I am Yaka Baku, yet to yes, any contribution. Ye be dancing Yamadi and Yabi. Say, in Yama, it may be a Passa or popular dinner and I said, Yamadi, Yabi, my able to hear the arm of Zion. Yeah, but contributing can hear it is just today. One boy, I'm MC up and another Passa, yeah, cotton. But why be the yet bottom any wrong one and no me?
Into Central Gateway, Oye Criminals Club, in Pefa Wadano, na Yayon Bonkoman, na Abanka Chipayon Osho Ogwamen Sendo, Honorable Judges Ata, Bra Okupe Mokotokraba, na Wanye Oye Guta, a Junum Painful, within Kanabakahu, there Wobo Oye Suppressionko, na Odashade, Mobanka Sankata, Obwa, Mobuya Nindi, Akabande. Ubisi edibando no wode yeba oda brahin ntar we be hye ode yeba brahin anam pom from obon obofo oyegwamu a wode yeba brahin de obey de medwini na no we spray marketing yam abra kotokraba anafu tantre anyigwa horo wonya we dire mudwini na honorable judges ata abra oyegu tafishie na oma kwanda we de medwuma no nsaba horo wo de tugwa wona problem no za honorable okeni bi
wonfo won hu nhiem nti ya de afia oyer bebo romi oye 2026 ye bo hwe de say ye frɛ omene adwuma na de ye sanitation exercise na ye ba ma obia tum we tum zino wa hye wo se ndo mampanyin ahyehye de azekura obohwe na ozebua atan wo ye yen Mason Cratch in Payful, morning ye and what so or ye ejuma or the yeshema, ye. Intino, yes, yes, the young wife, me, I got out today, a bush day. Igwe Mason, no more ato. Me put a mijina one case of free to Cade. I fear ye baby room 2026. Or ye Cape Coast Metropolitan Assembly, as in Shishalaba, or ye sanitation court. In the sanitation court, say you're from management another yakwa prona, wo mpotem on ya. Yabosha is wake jina asemzi bio na embrano on you ways. I will be alarmed branding you based in Obosha day. Once a may yadano. Yes, Yabama embrano watch you. Yes, also Yashade. Oh, yeah, hen once in paying for no. On year day, year trend sanitation on Coty. Once over pro now, I mean, you want to say a hawk a year near Cape Coast University. Cape Coast University is to have what I was sees our water upon one. In there, the many registrar and our vice chancellor. Now, drivers been market there. Once one more on no one call. See, you go do so far. So very good. When you want to say, Oye Guta, Ghana Union of Traders Association. Why here now do you can say the war banner, war fumigate, Portuguese and Mayaba Canyon. wo yen market centers owo igwe mainstream Kotokraba market also papa Abra market ewo so ye baby ewo ye busy pa nti mpanyinfo etu won we so de wo ba boboa oye de menhihie a otida nti ye beda won ase na yegudo ye adwuma no nyame aduma afa ye koromi no so ye boboa na ya bibia ye fa kama afishiapa zimegwaman afishiapa zimagana ban afishiapa zimefifi manto no ma being His Excellency John Dramani Mahama antina na okokwaje mbehye bogomo for ministers of state in central for no biara no mo wonyina afishiapa.
Honorable George Justice Atta oni Ogwamensin Krachi Penyin de beje na asam de na ya dan yan wo ya ba ya kaje hena brofo won nkrato na ye ba donko kasebo wo Coastal Television no ye de nentuedo ye de Abraham yanko nkaja brofo nkrato mre ye ba ya tuedo.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
Mido, Gana Biana. I'm going to you about this. Every time I say, baby, shit. Mangashi.
Junior!
I'm saying so now for me, do you know?
Sister Cospa, it's a winning gas.
I'm using the why. My wife.
Down Yankanawa.
Ah, Sister Cos. Use gas. Gas ye fast, ye easy, ye convenient. Wow.
LPG, let me see your hand. Ooh, I got yeah.
Ebusamu akwaba mo atena se mfombra Coastal Television do don kro kasebo na yare tueden na yare ko ekowie wo Oya University of Cape Coast mecha UCC wan ahweye eho na edwuboku a waja atum da obobo UCC edwumayefo ma obane de wo ko pension ana mpo kwa homjima kakra obinyedi ana woburu waye edwuma na mpo nkakra obetete watoto no wetu wa abo mo husikasam ewiepeye mecha UCC Cooperative Credit Union na waye won afficiency ma otodo edonu akono ogua na afficiency na ase na manager oda credit union na no den seru tugede obasire o edwumayefo aya sikani yin odoso dodo nda bibi iska nda bibi debi osawo na emo wonji loan eji loan ni da anu mo ti bia wim na nsu kakra ho nti waso gbogbo meku na gina na nda ibi achire ibi iska ebe na nsie bia ekọ pension ebe na nya bi na waso eda hwe wo pension na ekwen eda hwe ho na emom adukro so ohia pa de bomonde sa ene dwe wo da chi na wo mofama so wono masua no so obobo pa ni na aka ho ma Oya Cooperative Credit Union ni obobade nti sa adobadom na urudi afficiation bo tedama odo ka kedma efuni na de sika na wotete to won wotete wato wo sentri bi nti enya da wato da fakaje ana kona kaje fakaya party debi ana fukutwe wonum debi dembre asemisa ebenye bi dadandare ho enkate bebi eswa me bebi so de abasama ban oninti no ma cooperative credit union obobadi na manager order no owa Vincent Yamwa ne nsama oka no wase ne bi
Omayadum mayetumi eseli true me report on your operations no for the year 2024 no you introduce mobile banking services. Currently no there were 17 mobile bankers across the 3 branches are ye aka head office on you go so try atabema ye hwese ebi beka on until may you use this medium nama sremo especially we need mobile bankers around Elmina ne Mankasim nti monimo obi a neniti hum se obese oye mobile banking na obetimi e den application aba na yahwe etoso biom no this year the year 2024 ya bien say you call digital nti current no ye bie ya making provisions ubetimi register online oko ya create link ya de betu dwa oko no ma obi owo bebia owo no ubetimi register online obi be continue process na ma people na abaye member also if we sabre na if next year kono you need the coin say you are partner with one of the banks send the yeah especially yen ni ha no e bia wo akra wo pese wo ye withdrawal through Momo. That services in no time will be rendered to you maybe bia wo bia no wo ye withdrawal you bet me post it directly so one plan pese this withdrawal wo pese ye to bank account administrator and also next year will be implementing that. If you know, now say you call social media, no, we say you tap post to UCC Credit Union, who has sent to social media. You best say near you kuona, you best say chrono, etreno, you best say you quiet like any share, send your beya, and nipa everything yanka. Na ama ekono egro iti the first afia more members especially the government institutions and other institutions aba kai ho me can say ye be branches ewo Elmina ne Aisa ye hwese ye wo other places ye dey see ye ni so say ye be mobilize for e bi ni Kisi the sanso after aguna ebrim aguna the hwe poposo ne akojukwa ti sa miamia we ni ewo yankoma so ewo ani so ade hu se ye be kono nti ye be hia mu nia mu mpaebo ne enwadwenkyere na ma sa ni so ade hu abemu challenges ne de ye ni anim dada withdraw and ye be aya emrano yemmo madia ni ndisu yenim sa times no nyoma mu ya dendie na so yenia na ye tena hanom ya hyehye mra se ye dem samra we ebeye juma nti ye besere se yenia yemmo moden na yendi mra na menno ya hyehye no so na mbwa ekuo no ye bejina sa kwan so ade obi bia se ewo Juma money edi the year 2024. Yen Bible say ye call the next year you know yakopon befo ye na ye ni so ade hu no etumi abem. Na me sure bibia. Amen.
Enti kwanchefo pay na oda UCC Cooperative Credit Union na no owa Vincent Yamwa ne nsam na ete. Na ye ja UCC hwara enda papa anan na wuti so wode wode pon adusuafa wode ono mesua ana wode wona adusua de ba ewieyi mfia nan mfia baasa ebi ko mfia bie ebi so afekulitema ni nyina wo kebo mu hyase da ne yara abesin kwa yin fida meme na ne kosida meta anada na wode na wode ba ewieyi na dwumadina sen na chancellor order UCC ano Dr. Sam Jonah ɔde nsɛm to gbɛdɛ wafin pime bi nyi edonu biako 2021 na ɔbɛyɛ chancellor bɛde sukuu ya no nokwani mpanyimfo bi tere vice chancellor so yuna yedwuma impopopopole ba esia na wafo ni nsɛm iyi amoenwu da mpa osunu bia na nadwen no bia so ba dem na sukuu no bɛfa ntampefra impuntunti na ho nyina wɔba obaboa ampa impa bɛyɛ bi wameni nyina enti sedem mpanyimfo abɔbɔ mpɛmpɛndi esuapo no tere budu dama ɔtota sadi suafo anyama wona do ma wesua de wie waje wa abosobado na wodi certificate ahye wonso mo kɔbɔ blede wan hye ne nso nka hu de adesua onye wie yi ntalo kwan twe wonyu achi na san hwe de mo sere sua bi aka ho ana na madda mesua no mo de koso mo managa na mo da sum mo kro mo da sum ebusua ametim na onye marankasa mo hu Dr. Sam Jonah ne nsama ɔka no wase no ebin
a day of renewal. We gather to celebrate the achievements of the class of 2025, but commencement, as we all know, is also a moment when a university must pause to reflect on its journey, to take stock of its purpose, and to look squarely at the future it is helping to shape. I have had the singular privilege of serving as Chancellor of this university since 2021. Over this period, Mr. Chairman, I've worked with 6 Vice Chancellors, each one different, each one committed, and each one leaving a distinct imprint on this institution. What has always distinguished UCC is not the absence of change, but respect, but the quality of transition. There was respect for process, respect for rules, and a shared understanding that institutions must always be greater than individuals. Because of that culture, UCC has made remarkable strides. Indeed, over the years, UCC has grown in scope, ambition, and reputation. We established a medical school that has earned regional and international respect. We built a law faculty and that strengthened legal education in Ghana. We introduced pharmacy program aligned with national health needs. We now even run engineering courses. Ladies and gentlemen, we adapted, we innovated, we responded. For 5 consecutive years, the University of Cape Coast has been ranked by Times Higher Education Survey as the #1 university in Ghana and in West Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, this achievement belongs to faculty, to staff, to students, to alumni, and of course, to leadership across generations. And it should inspire us not to get into complacency, but to even greater ambition. Ladies and gentlemen, whilst we justifiably bask in our many glories, it would be dishonest not to speak of some of the challenges we've had in more recent times. You see, leadership demands honesty. The past 2 years has been deeply challenging for this university. For the first time in our history, a leadership transition became contested in a manner that unsettled campus. Legal processes took center stage. Tensions rose. The calm environment required for teaching, learning, and research was disrupted. This atmosphere became difficult, sometimes even toxic. The matter, thank God, has now been resolved. But as we all know, healing takes time. What makes this period particularly unfortunate is its timing, because this is precisely the moment when universities across the world are beginning to be being forced to rethink their role. The world, ladies and gentlemen, has changed fundamentally. And universities that don't respond will slowly become irrelevant. So we must ask ourselves some very hard, very difficult questions. What kind of world are we preparing our students for? Are we educating job seekers, or are we developing problem solvers? Are we training graduates for yesterday's jobs or for a future that is still unfolding? These are not academic questions. They are existential ones. Today's graduates are entering a world defined by permanent uncertainty. Climate change is reshaping economies. Geopolitical tensions are redefining global cooperation. Artificial intelligence is transforming work, creativity, and decision making. Indeed, the future of work is fluid, is non-linear, and increasingly skill-driven. Careers will be disrupted, certainty will be rare, and adaptability will be essential. And young people here in Ghana and across the world are more informed, as we know. They are more questioning and more assertive than ever before. Universities must respond to this reality. Today's congregation is devoted largely to postgraduate and research graduates, scholars who have spent years wrestling with ideas, data, and evidence. Your journey has not been one of mismemorization, but of inquiry, not of easy answers, but of disciplined questioning. In a world hungry for insight and solutions, societies rise or fall on the quality of their advanced scholarship. Graduate education, ladies and gentlemen, therefore, is no longer a luxury. It is indeed a strategic necessity.
Dr. Sam Jonah, ono na oya chancellor wo oya University of Cape Coast bicha UCC. Dani amandra mambra woye na wodo puna adesuafo nsama odi tugwa nebien. Ebusuafo no dosu na ebegina na yete donkro kasebo Coastal Television no yete baba na wieyi. Asida papa bi wo ho a yete baba oya dessert gift shop hona dawo ma. Ose tade na charge o tade na charge burenyen. Waka for mafaba ndama nketesia mente nkokona miro ho nyina ho ne ti wom ko na kajebi fakache wadofo NPA National Petroleum Authority also use gas na gas de oyafada burpa ebusuafo adwuma ku benu no wuso masema menya bre na adaje me kan nsem de mo wa Uncle Ben chinchiwe fili na kama na odendama disise nyi adawo mada aba from kitikeku ASORBA KOFI ESSUMAN umumo na hwa ahene wa abrewe nyado onyenda no ya wo no chena